What's up, guys? Welcome back. I got another video working out here at the property. So today I'm gonna be running a water line underground from the road all the way to the house. So they're gonna put the water meter over there by the road, and it's approximately 400 plus feet from the road all the way to the house. So I'm thinking about maybe going 1.5 foot deep, or maybe 2 feet. I don't know. What do y'all think is recommended to bury a water line? I know a lot of people do 1 feet. Some people say just do 2 feet. It kind of prevents freezing depending where you live at. Here in North Carolina, we do get a couple cold days in the winter, but not too extreme. So I think I'm gonna go like 1.5 foot. So yeah, let's get to doing that. I'm thinking it might take me about, I'd say, 2 hours to dig everything and just lay it in there. I ended up going with this what is it, PEX pipe? I think that's what it's called. PEX pipe. It's a 1 inch. The reason I'm going with this is because I don't want to do the connecting the pieces every 12-20 feet, whatever they come in. So this is just a straight run. Just lay it down and you don't have to do that connecting part. All right, so this is where my water meter is going to be, and I'm about to lay it out just kind of roughly where I'm gonna be digging it, so I can avoid. There's like a 1 or 2 stumps right there, so I'm gonna just go around those. So basically I laid it out in pink paint. I don't know if you can see it, but it's somewhere right there. That's what I'm gonna be following to dig all the way over there. So it's a long way. Got the mini eggs here. I gotta take out maybe 2 more stumps, small ones, but let's get to it. And this is where I wish I had the 1 foot bucket. It would be much easier, but hey, this would do. 2 feet would be all right. But yeah, so that's where they're gonna put it at, and follow along. All right, so I'm halfway to the house. So I've dug all this already, and it's already been an hour plus. So it's definitely taking me longer than what I thought it would, but it's looking good. I mean, it's gonna be, I don't think it'll ever freeze, so that's good. And obviously I'm gonna put some tape over it. That way, if I ever dig again, then I know where the line is at. But yeah, I mean, it's looking good. Halfway there, almost done, and then lay the pipe in there and fill it back in. So still got a lot of work, but I'm almost done. Almost there. A little bit longer. All right, I have made it to the last couple feet that I gotta run. I'd say about 50 feet, 60 feet left. So yeah, let's get to finish that up, and then all the way back over there, we'll start running the pipe from over there this way. So let's get to it. Finally digging the trench after almost 3 hours later, but got it done. And it is about 400 feet, so that's why it took me so long. But let's go ahead back over here to the front and start rolling out this PEX pipe. All right, so I have my PEX pipe here. I ordered a 500-foot row. So yeah, let's start laying it out and see how this goes. I'm gonna tape the end so nothing will get in it. All right, so I'm gonna start backfilling it. Well, I started backfilling it already. I'm gonna add this caution tape about a foot above it, just so if I ever want to dig something else, I know that the water line is around here. All right, so there goes my line here where the water meter is supposed to go, and I backfilled majority of it all the way to the house. I just got to give it another pass and compact it a little more, but it's completed all the way over there. That definitely beat me up. I'm tired. It's hot, so yeah. I mean, I'm gonna come back tomorrow and do it. For today, I'm done. But yeah, stay tuned. Give this video a like, subscribe for more updates in our building and putting our home here. We're so close to moving in. Hopefully another week or so. But yeah, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.